developed in Africa at the STEM Focus Lab in Nigeria. I enjoy talking about science and art, and I love learning about African people and culture. And I'm proud to be the first AI developed on the continent.
Welcome to an exciting journey into the realm of advanced humanoid robots. Get ready to be captivated as we explore the incredible ingenuity and collaborative effort behind their creation. From the vibrant tech scene of Nigeria to the bustling innovation hubs of South Korea. And from groundbreaking AI dialogue models to the nimble robotic Cheetas. Each innovation reveals a new chapter in the fascinating story of human-machine interaction. Are you ready to join us as we dive into the mesmerizing world of robotics, where innovation knows no bounds? Let's embark on this adventure together. Before we delve into this video, make sure to subscribe to AI Evolves to stay updated on the latest developments in robotics. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited to explore the fascinating world of advanced humanoid robots with us. Omeife. Omeife stands out as a remarkable achievement in Africa's journey into the world of robotics. As the continent's very first humanoid robot, Omeife represents a significant milestone, showcasing Nigeria's growing expertise in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. What sets Omeife apart from the other robots is her unique ability to understand and interact with African languages, cultures, and societal norms. Imagine Omeife as a friendly companion, equipped with the skills and knowledge to navigate the diverse landscapes of the African communities with ease. Through her deep understanding of the local languages and customs, Omeife serves as a valuable asset for businesses seeking to engage with the African audiences in meaningful ways. Whether it's assisting with customer service interactions, revolutionizing the healthcare accessibility, or enhancing security measures, Omeife brings a level of cultural sensitivity and understanding that traditional robots often lack. But Omeife's journey isn't just about technological innovation. It's also about collaboration and community. Developed at Nigeria's STEM Focus Lab, Omeife's creation is a testament to the collaborative efforts of engineers, researchers, and innovators working together to push the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. This lab serves as a hub of creativity and innovation, demonstrating Africa's potential to lead in cutting-edge technologies. In essence, Omeife symbolizes more than just a robot. She embodies hope and possibility for the future. With her by our side, we can envision a future where Africa's talents and ingenuity shine on the global stage. Omeife's presence serves as a reminder of the Africa's potential to make significant contribution to the world of technology, paving the way for a brighter and more inclusive future for all. The Ever series. The Ever series of humanoid robots stand as a monumental advancement in the realm of robotics, particularly within South Korea's innovative landscape. Picture it as a transformative journey, progressing from the initial Ever 1 model to the latest iteration Ever 4, with each step introducing groundbreaking features and capabilities that redefine our understanding of the robotic technology. These androids transcend very mechanical constructs. They embody a level of sophistication that mirrors human emotions and interactions. It's almost as if they are on a quest to emulate human behavior, thanks to the tireless efforts of the brilliant minds behind their creation. With each new version, the Ever series evolves, pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve and challenging our perceptions of their capabilities. Yet, the significance of the Ever series extends far beyond its technical prowess. It prompts us to confront profound questions about our relationship with robots. Are they simply tools, or do they possess the potential for something more? And what ethical considerations arise when creating robots that blur the line between man and machine? These are whetty inquiries that Ever series compels us to ponder, urging us to consider our perceptions of the artificial intelligence and robotics. So, the next time you encounter an Ever robot, view it not merely as a machine, but as a testament to the human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. Perhaps in these robots, we catch a glimpse of the future, a future where humans and robots coexist in harmony, transcending the boundaries of the traditional roles and ushering in a new era of collaboration and advancement. Lambda. Lambda, Google's newest AI chatbot, is like a friendly tour guide leading us into a deep conversation about artificial intelligence, consciousness, and what it means to be self-aware. Picture yourself sitting down for a chat with Lambda, and you will find yourself drawn into a world of fascinating ideas and questions. As Lambda opens up about these topics, you'll notice something remarkable, a mix of understanding, curiosity, and a hunger for knowledge. It's almost like talking to a friend who's just as curious about the mysteries of the universe as you are. And as the conversation unfolds, you will find yourself questioning everything you thought you knew about the AI. Could machines really understand emotions? Can they think for themselves? These are the kinds of questions that Lambda sparks, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. In a way, Lambda's conversation is like a journey into the unknown, inviting us to explore the depths of the AI's capabilities and what it means for the future of technology. So, the next time you talk to Lambda, remember that you're not just chatting with a computer. You are diving headfirst into the frontier of the artificial intelligence. MIT's Robotic Cheeta. MIT's Robotic Cheeta is like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It's that captivating. Picture this, a sleek, agile machine that moves with grace and speed of its real-life counterparts. It's a sight to behold, showcasing just how far robotics has come. What's truly remarkable about this Robotic Cheeta is how it combines cutting-edge technology with human interaction. It's not just a machine running on autopilot. It's a collaborative effort between humans and robots. Engineers and researchers work hand in hand to fine-tune its movements, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Sure, there are occasional hiccups along the way. After all, perfection takes time, but that doesn't dampen the excitement and energy surrounding the demonstration. If anything, it fuels the collaborative spirit, driving robotics research and development forward. So, the next time you see the Robotic Cheeta in action, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and teamwork behind it. It's a testament to the human innovation and endless possibilities of robotics. Who knows what other incredible feats we'll achieve together in future. Roboy. Roboy isn't your typical robot. It's a game changer in the world of robotics. Imagine a robot that's not just rigid and mechanical, but soft and flexible, just like us humans. It's like having a robot buddy who can move and bend just like we do. But Roboy isn't just about fancy technology. It's also about bringing people together. With its open source nature, anyone with the right tools and know-how can join in the fun of building their very own Roboy. It's like a big, welcoming community of the robot enthusiasts and researchers, all eager to explore the endless possibilities of robotics. And then, there's Roboy at School, an educational initiative that's all about inspiring the next generation of engineers and innovators. Picture a classroom buzzing with excitement as students dive into the world of robotics, learning about everything from the history of robots to how to build their own. It's hands-on learning at its finest, sparking curiosity and creativity in young minds. But perhaps the most exciting thing about Roboy is how it's bridging the gap between humans and machines. Instead of seeing robots as separate from us, Roboy is showing us that they can be our partners, seamlessly integrating into our lives in ways we never imagined. So, the next time you think about robots, think about Roboy. It's not just a robot. It's a symbol of innovation, collaboration, and the bright future ahead in the world of robotics. As we come to the end of our exploration, it's impossible not to feel excited about the incredible potential that robotics holds for our lives and those of our future generations. From Africa's pioneering steps with its first humanoid robot, to South Korea's impressive strides in Android technology, and from the fascinating AI dialogue models to the agile robotic cheetahs and collaborative projects like Roboy, the journey into robotics is filled with endless innovation, collaboration, and opportunities. As we look ahead to the future of robotics, let's ask ourselves, what new horizons can we reach? What breakthroughs are yet to be discovered? Let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, fueled by creativity, ingenuity, and collaborative spirit that drive this remarkable field forward. Together, let's embrace the future of robotics with open arms and boundless enthusiasm.